Tire pressure monitor warning light on in a Volkswagen Golf. This is a 2020 model, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that now. Okay, so with the ignition on, you will see the amber warning light here, and you will see the warning there, loss of pressure, front left tire. We have checked the pressures all around and rectified the issue. So once you know that your system is back up and running and the pressures are all equal, you come over here, come to this infotainment section, you go to press car, you'll get into the infotainment section like this, go settings, and then tires, and then tire pressure loss indicator set. Do all 4 tire pressures match? Yes, because we've checked them. Confirm. Tire pressures are stored. Come back over here, start the vehicle, and the light is now gone out with the warning. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.